There is an article on 24th January in Indian Express that says that Google might remove its search engine in Australia. Now, why is it so? Google on Friday that it might remove its search engine in Australia if the country's government went ahead with the plan to make online tech company paying for hosting news content. So what's this is about? This development is related to the News Media Bargaining Code (NMBC), a mandatory code of conduct developed by the Australian Competition and Consumer Commission to address bargaining power imbalances between the Australian news media and digital platforms, including Google and Facebook. The ACCC released a draft code in July 2020 allowing news media business to bargain individually and collectively with companies such as Google and Facebook over the payment of the inclusion of news on their services. So far, the Australian government has said that the code will be applicable to Google and Facebook only, and other companies may be added in case they were found to hold a significant bargaining power imbalance with the Australian news media business. This means that the Google and Facebook would have to pay news website whose links show up their platform including Facebook Feed News, Instagram, Facebook News tab, Google Search, Google News, Google Discovery. These services have been selected on the basis of the display Australian news without typically offering revenue sharing arrangement to all other news media that produce the content, the draft code says. The code has not become the law yet. So why and what is Google saying? Google says that while it supports the idea that the financial future of publishers need to be supported, the way the government is trying to achieve the goal would break away the Google search works. The tech giant has maintained that code remains to be unworkable since it says that the ability to link freely between the website is fundamental to any search engine. If the code is implemented, then Google will have to pay publisher of certain news media outlet so that their link show up as a search result. Google has also said that the code requires the company to give news publisher special treatment, which means a notice period of 14 days informing them about logarithm change and certain internal practices. Even if we could comply, that would delay important updates for our users and give a special treatment to news publishers in a way that would advantage or disadvantage everyone else. Therefore, the Google has said that if the code were to become a law, it will stop making Google search available in Australia. Previously, Facebook responded to this code becoming law by saying that the company would remove Australians' ability to post news content on their platform. On the other hand, Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison has said that the government does not respond to threats and that the parliament will decide what rule business must be allowed to follow in the country. That's all for today. Thank you and keep supporting our channel. Those who are not subscribed, please subscribe. We want support. Thank you.